yours. No, not in there, buddy. Oh. Come on. Come on. You okay, bud?
It's fine.
You must be sleepy.
A little too much to drink, huh? Ooh, look out for the wall.
He even got the hiccups.
At daycare, they nicknamed him Noodle because he, like, when he gets tired, he gets, like, totally noodling. It's adorable.
You want to show? Show everybody what you see? No. Alright, let's stop this movie.